Can't find Tom. Where's Tom? I don't know where Tom is, but that's gonna be your 10% off promo code this week. Quick, simple, easy, 10% off. Type in "Where's Tom" at checkout and you will save 10%. Thank you to everybody who subscribed here on the channel, and if you were here for the coupon codes every Friday, it's all good. That's all we give you, a coupon code. Keep you coming back. So we got our new t-shirts in. So if you guys have been waiting on a pre-order t-shirt, they are shipping out. They will be shipping out today, Monday, next week. I got a huge stack here. So this is just some of them, but we got a bunch of these in stock now. And we had a lot of people asking if we were gonna get some black t-shirts. I'm not committed to that yet. So if you want a black t-shirt, hit me up. Maybe we'll get you one made. But right now, I don't think we're gonna be stocking them because we've got some different versions of shirts that are gonna be coming out with a different logo on them. So stay tuned. It's something we're trying to do fun for you guys. But we are gonna be giving away 5 free t-shirts. All you gotta do, hop in the comments, subscribe before you do that, and leave us a comment on this video letting us know what you want a video of. We've had people say they want, a day in the life of, Nissan parts, et cetera, things like that. And let us know, because if we have, maybe there'll be an idea that, we're excited about, but if we get a lot of people asking for one thing, we'll definitely work on it for you. And we're getting to a point now where we can start, we're probably gonna start doing 2 videos a week, things like that. So once again, appreciate you guys being here. And if you're new to the channel, this is the video for you, because we do a question of the week every week. We usually send you a free t-shirt, but this week we had a load of questions. We're all in the same vein of things. A lot of questions that we've already answered in other videos. So I'm gonna kind of do a refresher on some of that stuff. My name is Russell. You were looking at Olympia Nissan, Nissan Parts CC on YouTube. We have Instagram page, Facebook page, all that good stuff. We are owned by Bruce Titus Auto Group. Bruce Titus bought this dealership on July 17th of 2000. Coincidentally, tomorrow's its birthday, which is really exciting. So we're located in Olympia, Washington, and like I said, we're just a dealership. So we are not Nissan. We are not Nissan Motorsports. We are just a dealership. But we do specialize in a lot of Japanese parts, 240s, Skylines, Datsuns, things like that, but we will help anybody with anything. So if you got a Nissan, let us know, just because, the majority of our content is one thing, doesn't mean a whole lot. I got asked if we could move our business anywhere else, where would we want to go? And definitely answered this one before, and I like Olympia, Washington. I moved out here in 07, started here in 07, and I absolutely love it here. I don't want to go anywhere else. But that being said, if I could have a distribution warehouse or something somewhere else, I would probably stick it right in Tennessee, real close to headquarters, where parts could, get in our hands faster, things like that. California, I think that would be, interesting to have a distribution warehouse there. But those are all things that, I haven't even ever thought about. But also a lot of people were asking, why should you guys buy from us? Why should you come to us versus other dealerships? I think you're looking at it. Not me, but you're here. So I think a lot of what we do is different. I think we think outside the box. I think we put in extra effort to help you guys out. I think we're very transparent with our customers. You guys, like I said, comment on the video. If there's something cool in there, we're gonna make a video for you. I mean, what other dealership can you hit up and be like, hey, I need a video of, this. Can you show me your parts department? They're probably not gonna do that. So we will. And also, I think that, we've been around for a long time. Like I said, I've been doing this since 07. We try to help people. We try to work with you. Nothing's too big, nothing's too small, things like that. And we won't mislead you. And I think that, it is what it is. I I'm assuming a couple employees from another dealership somewhere commenting on one of our Instagram posts yesterday, basically being negative because they thought that we were another entity within Nissan and we're not, and they were kind of barking up the wrong tree. But that's one thing that sets us apart. We would never do that. We would never hop on another company's social media and start complaining to them about this, that, and the other. So hopefully you'll come to us. Hopefully you'll stick around. We've got a lot of longtime customers, so I think that we're doing something right. Another thing I want to touch on, back orders. Japanese parts, even US parts, getting really, really hard to get. They're not going away, just there's delays throughout the distribution process, through the manufacturing process, staffing issues at certain warehouses. We know where a lot of the hangups are, so we're trying to communicate that to you guys. A lot of the back orders, we're telling people 90 plus days. Before it was 30 to 60, and that was, you know, we were always in that window, but 90 plus now, it's a guessing game. But you know, we're working to get parts for you guys, and when we start getting parts again, distribution picks back up, we're gonna be set. So you know, stick with us. And you know, once again, I think this video is just a huge thank you to everybody. If you're new here, if you're old here, if you've, you know, stuck around with us, even if you don't subscribe and you just come check our videos out to hit the dislike button, thanks for coming by. Thanks for hitting the dislike button. We do appreciate it because it helps us out. So anyway, you guys have a good weekend. Thank you. And where is Tom?